You and I have talked about this many times. The plan to build 3.87 million new homes by 2031. What's the gaping hole in this one, Dion?
It's wonderful to think that this might be possible, as it would be equally wonderful to think that we could put a man on Mars by next week. But now we have to look at the practicality of this actually happening. I'm not a naysayer, but I need someone to prove to me how, when we have never as a nation built more than around 250,000 homes in 1 year, how are we going to get to 550,000 homes per year, every year between now and 2031? I cannot see it. I understand. I've seen Mr. Trudeau walking through a modular home factory, and I understand that 3D printing is a real thing now. I understand that to be true. These are all very new technologies, and I sincerely hope that you and I are proved wrong, that this number will be hit. I just can't see it happening at the speed at which it needs to happen.